In this lecture, we are going to start a new section that is about geometry cleanup, or we call it with multiple name like defeaturing or geometry editing, geometry cleanup. So basically what happens when you import any file into ANSA. So let's say first you export any file from a CAD software in any CAD format. After that, you import this file into ANSA software. Because of this import and export, some of the data in the CAD may be lost, may be corrupted, or may be deleted, because of which our CAD geometry is not proper. And before starting the meshing work, we have to make sure our CAD is proper. Now for this purpose, in most of the pre-processing FEA softwares, different commands for defeaturing or geometry cleanup are provided. So if you go to ANSA here, and here you go to this topo option, I will select classic view from here, classic topo. Here you can see there are multiple commands to change or edit the geometry. For example, first we have the hot point, after that we have cones, then there are command in faces, we have command for creating or editing surfaces, curves and point. And along with this, if you click on this arrows, here you can see there are more commands. So these are all commands for the geometry editing or geometry cleanup. So rather than learning each command one by one, we will do this with a project work. So initially let's understand why there is need of this geometry cleanup work. I'm going to import one geometry here. In your project folder, go to 2D Mesh Geometry Repair folder. Here you will see multiple files. I'm going to import this file, that is Clip Repair 1. So I will use pick and drag option. So let's pick it here and drag it onto the ANSA and let it open. Click here. Now if you zoom in into this CAD here, let's say I will take this view, you can see this is a 3D CAD. Inside this CAD you can see there are some red edges. Red edge means free edges, and you can see this edge is going outside the CAD. Similarly, there are some more problems here. You can see there is a one surface missing inside this CAD. And also there are some more problems like this lines are not connected here. Similarly, we have problem with the surface. You can see this surface is not properly closed. There is a gap. So when you try to extract mid surface of this, let's see what we will get. Go to mid surface and I will go to skin. And here I will use default options like visible here and all the default settings. Okay, and hit the roller and click yes. Now it is going to show error that the part is not a closed volume. Similarly, it is also showing part has less than 3 faces. It means there are duplicate faces. Okay, and these faces will be highlighted here. When I click on this, it will highlight, and here. So first we have to make sure our geometry is properly closed. There should be no duplicate surfaces, etc. So I will close this and OK. So that is why before starting the meshing work, we have to properly clean up the geometry, or if there is any problem, then we also have to repair it. So I will go to this file, open up a new ANSA here, new. I will discard this. Now we are going to learn about this command with the help of a project work. Before going into the project work, we need to understand certain terminology in ANSA. Here in this CAD, you are seeing that we have a 3D point. Basically, there are multiple 3D points. In ANSA, 3D points are highlighted with this color, that is a light blue color. You can see a 3D point here, 3D point and 3D point. Okay, these are like just we have point for the references. Similarly, we have 3D curve. This curve can include line, curve, circle, etc. So in ANSA, these curves are represented by this purple color. Now, let's understand about terminology of surfaces. So in ANSA, you will see the term that is called cones. So cones are basically are boundaries of a face. Here you can see cones are boundaries of a face. So you can also call a surface as a cone. These are basically interchangeable term that we use in ANSA. Okay, so the full name is curve on surface, that is called cone. Now in ANSA, the cone may appear in 3 colors. First one here is the red color, second one is yellow, third one is cyan color. Here you will see that we have a red edge here, we have yellow here, and here we have cyan. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is if there is any red edge, it means it is a free single boundary. It is not shared with any other boundary. For example, you can see this outer edge here. It is not sharing with any other surface. It is only sharing with this one surface here. So these are called red edges. Similarly, we have yellow when the boundary is shared by 2 faces. Consider this example here. This is yellow right now. It is shared by this left face and the right face. Okay. Now we also have the cyan when the boundary is shared by at least 3 or more faces. Generally we call triple cone or more cone. Here you can see in this we have multiple surfaces. Multiple means this type of 3 surfaces or cyan cone we have whenever we have duplicate surface. Because of that duplicacy, this type of cyan color will appear, and that is something we don't want in our CAD. So we have to remove this triple cones using our geometry editing tools. So in the next lecture we are going to make this CAD of this rectangle, and we will understand different commands using this project work.